Hello everyone, welcome back to Professor Kat's Japanese class. Today we will talk about special pronunciation in Japanese words. And this picture is from lesson 1. You can see the small part, pink part here. They tell us be careful with this pronunciation. The first, ichi is from 6. 2, ni is from 16. The sound is from 5 and 4 is from 11. And we will talk about the special pronunciation here. The first goes with cho. Literally, it means long version. So you can see there are short version and long version in Japanese. It's very different, so please be careful with this pronunciation. And I listed 5 patterns here. It would all be pronounced in a long version. Let's go and see the first 3. A plus A, I plus I, U plus U. It's very simple. But remember, the first IU here, it's only about their vowels. So before the vowels, there's maybe a consonant before it. So you can see even ka plus a, it would be pronounced in a long ka. So it's ka here, it's a long. And the whole word will be pronounced as okaasan. It's mother in Japanese. And ni plus i, oni-san, elder brother in Japanese. And u plus u, z plus tsu, tsu. So you can see the second pronunciation here is the longer one. Tsu, it's headache in Japanese. And the last two, it's a little bit complicated. First is e plus e, but also e plus I is a long version. O plus O, also O plus U. So you can see e plus e is a long version, is one-san, it's elder sister. But e, I, when the I meets e before it, then the E pronunciation would disappear. So the whole word is toke. You cannot hear E inside. The E disappeared. Toke. What about this? Ototo. Ototo. So this is the long version, but this is a short version. So please be careful. Ototo. It's younger brother in Japanese. What about this? The first is long version, right? What about the second? Kyo also end with o. So here the second is also a long version. It's a contracted sound with a long version. So Tokyo, two long version. Tokyo, it's a capital of Japanese. Tokyo. This is about long version, short version. And we will go on with sokron. It means doubled consonant in Japanese. And the symbol of doubled consonant in Japanese is a small tsu. You can see the tsu is smaller here. So compared with the normal tsu, this tsu is smaller, right? So when you see a smaller tsu between the kana, between the characters, it would be pronounced as a sokron. Actually, it's not an actual sound. So I will pronounce first. It's not zatsushi, it's zashi. And here, the second one is not katsuta, it's katta. Zashi. Katta. So you can see after the first pronunciation, the pronunciation is stopped by your throat. That cut, it's stopped. And then stop for 1 second. And then the third pronunciation. Katta. Zashi. But what about this pronunciation? Do you hear any s inside? Zashi. Because S is a very special pronunciation. It blew between your teeth, so it cannot be stopped totally. So when you pronounce S in a sokuon, so please remember there are some sound like S inside. Zashi. Zashi. It's special. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you for listening. And from next time, we will begin with the conversation. Okay, see you.